priceless gift.
Hi Kuya, I want to greet you a happy birthday, and may you have more birthdays to come. May God bless you with all your endeavors, and good health, prosperity, and may all your dreams come true. So take care always, Kuya. Bye.
Hi Kuya Kier, Kuya Koy, Cares TV, mega love shout out sa iyo. Ayan, happy birthday. Sana ay mag-enjoy ka sa iyong kaarawan. Ayan, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ayan, I wish you all the best. Good health always, and many more to come. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng suporta sa Alice's TV at sa MOC. We love you. Ayan, mag-iingat ka lagi. Ingat lagi saan mang magpunta. And stay awesome. Thank you always. Thank you. Ayan, maraming salamat ulit and happy birthday. Ayan. Cheers muna. Cheers for long life and God bless. Thank you.
Happy birthday sa aming Kuya Kier! Isang napakamabait at napakamatulungin na kuya. Salamat sa lahat ng suporta, kuya. Sana ay nasa mabuti kang kalagayan siya. Enjoy your day, kuya. Happy birthday! Sana ang awiting ito ay pakinggan sa puso nagmula sa'yo inilaan upang bigyang daan ang iyong kaarawan na sa araw na ito ipinagdiriwang. Happy birthday, kuya! Happy birthday to you. Sana'y maligaya ka sa araw na ito. Happy birthday to you. Naway pagpalain ka ng buong may kapal. Tangan mo na ang lahat ng katangian, talino at gwapuhan at kabaitan. Kami bumabati, bukal sa kalooban, di ka malilimot magpakailan pa man. Love you, Kuya Kier! Enjoy your day. Happy birthday to you. Sana'y maligaya ka sa araw na ito. Happy birthday to you. Naway pagpalain ka buong may kapal. So again, happy birthday and enjoy your day. God bless, kuya. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Kuya Kier. Wishing you all the best in your life. Good health as well as your family. Ayan, ingat ka lagi. Enjoy. Ayan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kuya Kier. Thank you na mabait na Kuya Kier at supportive sa YT World.